Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. I would like to say thank you for coming in our presentation today. It's great to see you all. Okay, let me introduce myself. I'm Cynthia Ananda. I'm from Serang, Banten. In this chance, I will presentation about my journal international. The title is Implementation of the Wake Product Method to Specific Scholarships and Receiver. Authors is number 1, Cynthia Ananda, Diana Theresia Spitz-Warners, and Harcourt Leslie Hendrik Spitz-Warners. The abstract in the international journal. This paper discussed the implementation of decision-making application in the scholarship using the Wake Product Method that underlines the awarding of scholarship with 4 criteria. Number 1, parents of students participating in the Family Program of Hope. Number 2, orphan status. Number 3, and several dependents of parents. Number 4, and parents' income. The keyword of international journal is decision support system, wake product, and information system. Let me introduction about this journal. A scholarship can be defined as allocating funds that do not come from private funds, but funds from the government, companies, and educational foundations. In addition, scholarship funds can be provided applying exemption from tuition fees categories as a substatus for work costs of official ties that will be carried out after the scholarship reception, carried out the education period. The scholarships are submitted to the reception entity to receive them and are determined by several criteria stipulated by each scholarship granting organization. Scholarships are awarded according to the interest of each scholarship provider, who looks more at the institution's long-term goals, as stated in the vision and mission of an organization. For example, if it is a religious organization, it will also look at religious matters. And if it is a local government organization, it will prioritize giving scholarship to students from which the local governments come. The background of study in SMA Negeri 8 Kota Serang has experienced difficulties because a manual process still carries out the scholarship selection. The first is based on the observation of the scholarship acceptance process, scholarship application, on submit the scholarship registration requirement documents. A meeting will be held to compare prospective students manually. Based on the meeting result and discussion at the teacher meeting, it will announce which students were entitled to receive scholarship through wall magazines. Second, the current scholarship selection process is very ineffective and unfair in determining scholarship recipients. There are accusations on nepotism where the scholarship recipients come from the families of the teacher and employers. Even though recipients of scholarship from teacher or employers are entitled, intelligent, and deserving of scholarship. And there's a current and similar research papers. The first in this literature review section to know the current and 5 previous years a similar topic was using the wake product method for decision support system. And second, WP method has been applied in many areas such education, health system, agriculture, restaurant and hotel, housing, office and business, etc. In this paper, the literature review is limited to papers in education, housing, culinary system, office, business, healthy system, and agriculture. The wake product is a multiplication weight method from combining attribute ranks, and the rank for each attribute is incremented according to the associated attribute value. And the process is something also called the normalization process. And the result and discussion from this literature review in this paper, the discussion will be carried out in three stages. The first, system modeling, and second, web product implementation, and third, system implementation. There is system modeling. The first, there is user to registration, user login, user entry student data, and user running the result. In entry student data, we go to entry criteria and we go to entry weight. In modeling the system is modeled with two diagrams in the Unified Modeling or UML language, namely use case diagram and class diagrams, where the use case diagrams show the process in the application being built, while the class diagram show the database design model to be used. There are four use case diagram activities in the use case diagram, namely registration, login, entering student data, and running the result. When users want to use the system, they must enter their data such as username, like a gender, email, data of birth, and password, as seen in table user in the class diagram in figure. In the use case activity login, the user must first enter the username and password that they have previously registered, and the system will check in the database if their entries match the data in the user table. If it does not match, the user cannot enter the system, and there will be a confirmation that the user or password does not match. There is some system modeling in the literature review. Okay, next, there is in the use case entry study data activity. The user can enter the number of the student to be assessed by entering the student code, attributes, and student names, and the data will be stored in the database as an alternative table as seen in the class diagram in figure. The entry process will include the scoring criteria diagram in figure. In the use case activity, there are two sub-use case activity, which are drawn with the symbol include, which means that the subcase must be carved out, and two sub-use case activities include entering the criteria that will be used to determine the prediction of student who will receive the scholarship and weight that will be applied to any given criterion. And the process of entering criteria and weight will be stored in the criteria table as shown in the class diagram in figure. When entering the criteria are entered and the present attributes in the table will be generated automatically based on the average total weight. Finally, the use case activity running the result will be used to run the result based on the inputted data in previous use case activities such student data, criteria, and weight. Figure 2 show the application class diagram which contain four classes into four database table user alternative, scoring, and criteria, wherein in this case, the user table is not related to others table. An alternative table is a table that stores student data that has a one-to-many relationship with the assessment table. Besides, the assessment table has multi-to-one relationship with the criteria table. Or in other words, the alternative table has a many-to-many relationship with the criteria table. There's web product implementation. The web product method has four steps such determination of criteria name, weight, and range of criteria, finding the percentage of criteria weights, finding preference value for each alternative, finding ranking search. The first step is determining the criteria name of criteria weight and range of criteria as shown in table 1 with four criteria, namely the number of dependents of the parents And parents earning with a WAEC score 3, and 5, with a total WAEC score of 4 plus 3 and plus 5 and 16. The criteria were obtained from the result of interview and discussion group from with school represented by teacher and student represented by present of student. The second step in the to find presentation of criteria week PCWJ as shown in the last column of table 1, which is equation 1, where there is weight of each criterion. WJ is divided by the total weight criteria, or sigma WJ, in this case 4 plus 4 plus 3 plus 5 and 16. For example, the criteria C1 as shown in the first row of table 1 has PCWJ, WJ and for 60 and 0, 0, 25, the 0, 25, 0, 108, 75, and 0, 3100 to 25 respectively, and percentage of criteria weight has a total of 0, 25 plus 0, 25, 0, 100, 80, 20, 80, 75 plus 0, 3125, and the mean is 1. Where PCWJ is mean percentage of criteria weights, WJ is mean weight of each criterion, WJ total weight criteria sigma or sigma weight criteria. J is criteria. This is picture of the admin dashboard page and main page for user login like this. WP criteria and method input page. And there is vector value calculation page view, and there's display of the calculation of the value of vector S and vector V to generate rank values. Okay, the last is conclusion. The conclusion in the literature review is the extension of the decision-making system can help the school determine that the scholarship perception cannot accurately target of the student of Serang City High School and no longer require a longer time. A ranking decision in Serang City High School becomes more optimal by applying the decision-making system using the weight product method to make it easier for school and application user to determine the high weighting value of several students on the least potential scholarship reception. The application of web-based decision support system in SMA Negeri 8 Kota Serang or Serang City can be realized. Okay, thank you very much for your attention. Sorry if there's something or there's word wrong. And last, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.